Hey guys, William Murphy here. Welcome back to the video. Welcome back to the channel. And welcome to Easter. This is Easter weekend. Obviously this video is going to be going live a little bit later on in the year. But the car's been on the road now for a little while, a couple of weeks now. I am really enjoying having the Cougar back. So today's the day to do a couple of jobs. We are going away for Easter to see some relatives. And you can see the car's a bit dirty, so I'm going to give it a wash. I also need to stick the number plate on because although I've been travelling around the country lanes with the number plate in the windscreen, going on a 5 to 6 hour drive on the motorway probably isn't really recommended. So I'm going to do jet wash the sides, clean it all up, do the wheels, hoover out the interior, clear out the inside of the car out, and have it ready and prepared for the first drive we have since the crash. It's a very big family drive anyway, so the kids love this car, which is great. A couple of things obviously still to address. Number plate, as I mentioned previously, and the washer jet this side. Really not sure what to do about the washer jet because it is stuck. I thought it was just frozen that evening, but it is stuck well and truly. I had to do a quick alteration when I changed the jet and take the nozzle off the existing one and put it onto the new one, and I used a bit of glue to bond it on. I think what I've done is I've glued the thing shut. So I need to try and work out how the hell to get that undone. Once the jet moves in and out, I can put the jet cover on and I can close off that hole because it looks a bit rubbish, to be honest. But other than that, absolutely loving it. Loving this nice sunny weather. The daffodils are out. I got an Easter egg a week early and I demolished it in one sitting. And now it's time to get this car cleaned and then move back onto this thing over here, which no one's seen yet. So videos coming on that very soon. Right, that's looking significantly better. Still need to sort that. Still need to put that on. But I'm very happy with that indeed. What I do want to know is black alloy wheels. They look great once first cleaned, but you leave them a day, they look awful. They go very matte. What can I put on them to protect them? I've tried wax. I've tried polish, I've tried ceramic wax. I'm just not getting anywhere with them. But it's looking good. I could go crazy and go give it a polish, but I haven't got time for that. So I'm gonna stick my number plate on and try and work out if I can get this freed up and fitted on. At least then it'll look the part for the trip away. So I went online and I ordered a pair of number plates. They have arrived. They look pretty cool, so they are a 3D gel. I didn't go for the 4D, I didn't like that as much. The front light's actually a little bit silver, and yeah, they should be quite nice. I'm going to stick these on rather than screw them on. So double-sided tape, it's got 3M tape on the back, strip across, 2 strips across, maybe one on each side to stop it from flapping on the corners. And we'll stick it on. Hopefully it's square, because that would really annoy me if it's not. So it's attached around the back. Firstly, I need to make sure it's this way up, not this way up. Secondly, I need to make sure it's square, not to an angle. And thirdly, I need to make sure it's central in the recess. This could be easier said than done. I'm going to give it one chance and one chance only. Lined it up with the recess at the top, one finger to the left, one finger to the right. We'll see how that goes, but it should have enough stick on those bits to hold up a double-decker bus, really. They look really smart. Onto the back. So these are the original plates. I think they are held on with screws and tape, because you can see tape at the back there. Grim. Right, so this is raised higher than this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do the same as I did before, and put a piece of tape across the top, pull a piece across the middle on these bits here, a piece across the bottom, a bit on the sides, so then it will stick to this, but the tape on here will raise it higher, so it should stick to that as well. That's the plan anyway. Here we go. I think that's pretty level too. So these 3D plates are, I think, from NOM Plates. I got them off eBay, about 23 quid for the pair, so pretty happy with that really. Actually, it's probably cheaper than what a standard plate would have cost. And they're quite cool as well, so double whammy. Anyway, car's clean, plates are on. Nice. What the actual fudge? I've just been speaking to you, I've been out here in the t-shirt. It's been lovely weather. Hailstones, a bit of snow. What is going on? Is this global warming? Clean car though. Woohoo! It's okay. Sunshine again now. What is going on? Car's still clean though. Some bizarre weather we've had this afternoon. Anyway, the car is now clean. It's looking pretty awesome. Number plates are on. I did have a look at fitting these LED bulbs, and what's described as the best on the market happened to be utter shite. They fell apart. They did work, but they did fall apart. So I put some LED bulbs in, and that will do. I was going to make a video, but I decided that this needs to be thrown in the bin, and end of story. So yeah, really good. Happy with that. It's now tidy, cleaned, and we're ready to go on a about 600-mile round trip for a road trip. So going to see some family and meet our new nephew. It'll be very, very exciting. So the car's cleaned anyway. It'll be nice for us to get down there. I'm going to go fit a toilet seat now. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you have enjoyed this content, as always, hit that thumbs up button, comment down below, and if you haven't done so already, please consider becoming a subscriber to the channel. Thanks very much, and I will see you guys in the next one.